Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of English Talk Andrew podcast. I'm your host, Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. Really, thank you for pressing play.
And I'm Andrew, your co-host, your English buddy, your conversation partner, whatever you want to call me. We're here to make your English journey simple, fun, and stress-free.
And trust me, today's lesson will help you everywhere. School, work, a new class, a job interview, even making new friends.
Exactly, because our topic is something every English learner needs. How to tell people about yourself.
Yes, that one simple question people always ask. So, tell me about yourself.
And sometimes your brain just freezes, like, my name?
You will hear this question so many times in your life. First day of class, first day of work, meeting someone new, joining a club, starting a friendship.
It's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation. And when you answer it well, you sound confident, friendly, easy to talk to.
And when you don't know what to say, you feel shy, nervous, embarrassed.
But don't worry, friend. Today, Sarah and I will guide you step by step, slowly, kindly, like two friends helping you on your English journey.
All right, Andrew, let's pretend we just met. Imagine you walked into a new class and I'm sitting next to you. I smile at you and say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. What's your name?"
Oh, hi, I'm Andrew. Nice to meet you too.
See, that's already a friendly start.
And now you can add one or two small details. Not too much, just something simple. Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from the UK.
Beautiful. That's clear, confident, simple. Let's begin with the basics. Your name. This is always the first part. Examples. My name is Sarah. I'm Andrew. You can call me Sam.
Don't overthink this. Keep it natural.
Next, talk about your country or city. Examples. I'm from United States. I'm from Brazil. I'm from a small town near Cairo.
If you want to add emotion, you can say, I love my hometown. It's peaceful. I come from a busy city, so much energy.
Now add where you live currently. Examples. I live in California now. I live in Dubai for work. I live in a small apartment with my family.
It makes your introduction feel complete.
Conversation practice. Sarah and Andrew. Let's demonstrate how this sounds in real life. So, Andrew, where are you from?
I'm from the UK, but I live in Malaysia now.
Oh, wow, really? That's a big change.
Yeah, new food, new culture, new weather, everything. But I'm enjoying it.
That sounds exciting. You can tell your age if it feels comfortable. I'm 22 years old. I'm 30. I'm in my early 20s.
And it's okay if you don't want to share your age. You can simply skip it.
Now, one of the most important parts. Your job or what you study. Examples. I'm a student. I'm a nurse. I work in IT. I'm an English learner.
This tells people what you do every day. It's interesting. It helps the conversation grow.
For example, I say, I'm Sarah, and I'm a graphic design student.
And I might say, I'm Andrew. I teach English online.
Family is a wonderful topic for introductions. Just keep it simple. Examples. I have one brother. I have two sisters. I'm the oldest child. My parents live in another city.
You don't have to share too much, just a small detail.
People love talking about pets. Cats, dogs, birds, fish, anything. Example. I have a dog named Milo. I have a cat named Snow. I don't have pets, but I love animals.
And when someone says they have a pet, you can immediately ask more questions.
This is where your personality shines. Examples. I love cooking. I like quiet places. I enjoy reading novels. I don't like loud music. I don't enjoy spicy food.
Likes and dislikes make you human, real, relatable.
Time for favorite things. Favorite food. I love pasta. My favorite food is biryani. I enjoy seafood. Favorite color. My favorite color is purple. I like light blue. Favorite sport. I enjoy football. I love swimming.
This part always makes people smile.
Hobbies help people understand what you do for fun. Examples. I love painting. I play guitar. I enjoy hiking. I watch movies on weekends.
And it creates more conversation. If you say, I like painting, someone might ask, what do you paint?
What you don't like. Yes, this part is fun too. Examples. I don't like waking up early. I don't enjoy long lines. I don't like very spicy food.
It shows your personality. It's honest.
Full example introductions. Sarah's example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Malaysia, and I live in Kuala Lumpur. I'm 24 years old, and I'm a design student. I have one younger sister. I love painting and reading. I enjoy cats, pasta, and quiet cafes. But I don't like waking up early.
Andrew's example. Hey, I'm Andrew. I'm from the UK, but I live in Thailand. I'm 28. I teach English online. I have an older brother. I love dogs, cooking, football, and music, but I don't like olives and very loud places.
How you can introduce yourself. Choose 4 to 6 things only. Don't make it too long.
Here's an easy formula. Name, country, job, or study. 1 like, 1 dislike, 1 hobby.
That's it. Simple, clear, friendly.
Practice time. Repeat after our lesson.
My name is. I'm from. I live in. I am a. I like. I don't like. If you enjoyed today's podcast, please make sure to like this episode.
And don't forget to subscribe. Your support means so much to us.
Now it's your turn. Comment below and tell us 3 things about yourself.
We can't wait to read your introductions. See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye!